Good morning, students. I am JP Gupta, sir. As I had completed the explanation of the second chapter, memory and storage, in this video, I will discuss the solution of the questions. So, student, listen the answer very carefully. So, students, open your page number 17. Here we shall discuss about the book exercise. First segment is filling the blanks. In this segment, first statement is the information in a computer is stored in the form of dash digits. So the correct answer is here binary. So student, in first one you will fill binary. Now come to the next one, that is second. Dash and dash are the two types of memory present in a computer. So the answer are internal and external. So student, in second one you will feel internal and external. Now come to the third one. Third one is that the internal memory is of two types, dash and dash. So the correct answer is here RAM and ROM. So in third one you will feel RAM and ROM, student. Now come to the next one. Next one is that a flash drive is properly known as dash. So it is pen drive. The correct answer is pen drive. Clear? Now come to the next one, fifth one. A CD can store up to dash of data and is dash in diameter. So answers are 700 MB, and in second one you will feel 4.7 inches. So students, our filling the blanks is. Now turn your page. On the page number 18, second segment is given state true or false. In this segment, first statement is RAM stand for random access memory. So first statement is false here, student. Second one, hard disk is made up of multiple disks. So this one is true statement. Now come to the next one, third one. The size of a DVD is 4.1 inches. So students, this one is false because the correct statement will be the size of a DVD is 4.7 inches. Now fourth one, student, a flash drive is very small in size and rewritable. So this one is true. Now fifth one, a megabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte. So this statement is false statement. The correct statement will be here a megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. So student, now here our true false segment is completed. Now next segment, match the following. So student, there are two columns. In first column, first word is ROM. So ROM must be matched with the internal memory. Second one, CD. CD should be matched with the 4.7 in diameter. After that, flash drive is given here. Flash drive must be matched with plug and play devices. After that, DVD. Student, DVD should be matched with the 4.1 GB. Next word is Blu-ray disc. It should be matched with 50 GB. So student, match the columns is completed here now. After this, next segment is application based question. So in this segment, first question is Sohail could not finish his project work in the class. So he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house in order to finish it. Which device will you suggest him to copy his work? So the answer will be here. He can use CD or DVD or flash drive to copy his work. Second question now. Raghu wants to copy 3 movies on a disc and want to see them at his place. Which device will you suggest him to copy all the movies? So the answer is here. He should use DVD to copy all these movies. So now application based question is completed here. After that, new segment, multiple choice question. In this segment, first question is here. The storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. So the right option is here. Option B, 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Question number 2, student, the maximum capacity of multimedia card is up to dash. So the correct option is here. Option C, 512 GB. Question number 3 now. Dash is not a secondary storage device. So option A, RAM, is the right answer here. So student, now multiple choice question is completed here. Thank you for watching my video.